Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope that everybody's doing well in this lockdown period. I know it's really hard times, but it's also a great time to cook delicious dinner or lunch at home for you and your family. It's gonna be fantastic. Today, I'm gonna cook a Tuscan shrimp risotto. It's a really delicious dish and it's one of my favorite. I cooked it before with pasta, but this time we're gonna use risotto and we're gonna toast the rice and it's gonna be super delicious. So let's do it, let's cook. Okay, all you need is to get the shrimp just like this, fresh, and keep the tail right there. So all you gotta do is just to open up the skin. You can open up from the middle, just like that. Open it up, throw away the skin. Just gotta get the sharp edges right there. Just twist it and throw it away. So you keep the shrimp and the tail. That's perfect. So remember, this is the shrimp that we want to get. So it's a butterfly shrimp, so you just cut it in half and then keep the tail attached to the shrimp. Take the shrimp, you cut it from the top, just like this, to throw away all the dirty parts of the shrimp. From here, get the black part right there. Some shrimp have it, some don't, but this one doesn't have a lot. And then just straight the shrimp a little bit, and then take from the back like this with the edge of the knife and cut it clean to the front, just like that. So you got a half of the shrimp right there with the tail still attached. So we're gonna keep the tail. To the right temperature. I'm gonna boil some water, and this one's for the peas. So you don't need a lot of water, just about half or a quarter is fine. And this one I got a chicken stock right here. And we're just gonna put it in the middle, and we're just gonna heat it up. Like medium heat, just like that. And then pan on top of it. That's great. Pan's hot. Olive oil goes in. Okay, garlic goes first here, and shallot goes second. So we're just gonna cook them first. Whoa. Okay, what's really important is that you put the salt and pepper in the beginning. So never put salt and pepper when you toast the rice. So here, salt goes in, and pepper, white pepper goes in. Two rice in here, right? So we're just gonna like toast a bread. So what I got right here is a dry white wine. So it's new, so I'm just gonna open it. All right, you put white wine, goes in. Ooh, smells good. Look at that. So now we take a ladle, and then we put the chicken stock. And it's important that you put the chicken stock one by one, and you can't put it all at once. It's really important to keep on stir and stir and stir, and that's all you gotta do. You can't go watching TV or play with your friends or play with your kids or reading a book or do anything or doing push-ups, whatever. You can't do that. So you gotta take a look at this like a baby. You gotta put it little by little. So you need a lot of patience to do this. And when it gets a little bit dry, you put more of the liquid inside, and take the liquid, just put it inside more, to there, and keep on stirring again. So you need a little bit of patience here. And that is the key of making a great risotto. Now that the peas are boiling, I need to drain it and put it aside. And we'll see that it's a little bit wet here, but it's not as dry as before. So it's almost cooked right there. And all you gotta do is to put the butter inside. So it's gonna be rich and creamy. And that is the whole point of having a butter inside the risotto. And make sure to put it on a low heat. Right, so we're gonna get a cream croissant here. We're gonna open it up. We're gonna add cream, just about like 4 tablespoons right here. That should be enough right there. And that will definitely make a creamier and rich taste in there. And that's what we wanna get. Last but not least, we're gonna put Parmesan cheese and grate it over, and that is perfect. And that completes the risotto itself. I can smell it. It's perfectly made. So just make sure that you stir it so it doesn't stick in there and keeps it moist and creamy and rich. Beautiful. So let me just give it a little bit of taste here. That is really good. Now you can add a little bit of cream if it's dry, but not too much, as it will overpower the creamy taste. And in here, I'm adding several Italian herbs to feel that stronger Tuscan taste. Have a nice mix and make sure you give a taste of that delicious risotto. Turn on the gas, make sure to make it hot. So now we put garlic inside. We're just gonna cook the garlic. Okay, that's great. Get the shrimp. And we cook the shrimp one by one here. That's perfect shrimp right there. Black pepper here. Add a little bit of salt as a taste for the shrimp. So peas goes inside. And then last, we're gonna put a little bit of parsley here. Put some more parsley in there. Oh, perfect. Just turn it off. Taste.
That is perfect.